Let's make the delicious honey garlic chicken thighs in a pan. Call it pan fried honey garlic chicken thighs. And here you go. I have 2 pounds of the thighs. These are with the bone. We're gonna take raw garlic for this. Every thigh should get at least 4 cloves of garlic. This is all raw. Olive oil, 1 baking cup of olive oil in here. Raw garlic and the olive oil. You have to blend it in the blender juicer to make a smoothie out of it. And here's the pan on the stove at 350 degree. Here goes the smoothie, the garlic and the olive oil all in here. After 5 minutes, the initial rawness of the garlic is gone. Now it's the time we will take our delicious thighs face down. Just land it in here. I have 8 of them and 8. Keep it on high flame. Let's season this with regular home ingredient. Definitely take white distilled vinegar. Add half baking cup of it, half tablespoon of the salt, half tablespoon of the black pepper powder. We will cover it with the lid on the high flame at 350 degree for 10 minutes. Leave it like this, and I'll see you once the initial 10 minutes of the thighs has been gone. This is all together 15 minutes later and 10 minutes later since we added the thighs in here. I hope we get a little bit char on the thighs. I hope we got that. And we did actually. Look at this. We were successful to get the char on it. Flame is still on the high flame. Now we will take soy sauce. Take the soy sauce. We will do half baking cup of soy sauce. Alright, let's add the sesame seed. If you have roasted or non-roasted, it doesn't matter. Add the sesame seed at this time. Let's do 1 whole tablespoon of sesame seed. To make this thick, sticky, glazy texture on the thighs, we will take cornstarch and we'll spread evenly on top 1 tablespoon. We'll take honey. So easy recipe, right? We did it. We will take at least 4 tablespoons of honey in here. And a 4th. Sun-dried chilies, these are optional. You want to add it. If you don't want, it's okay, but add it, it will bump up your flavor. Take the spoon, give all the mixture a good mix. Look at the base. This is the sauce. These are the thighs. So easy to make, and I promise you they're gonna be delicious. This recipe is literally so easy. You're gonna be keep making it every other day with very less and delicious ingredients, right? So this is what I'm talking about. We are just 10 minutes away to call this delicious pan-fried honey garlic chicken thighs. At this stage, put your stove at the medium flame. Taste test here. Finger licking good. Put it on medium, cover it, and the last 10 minutes, let it just simmer, let it just slow cook, and after 10 minutes, we'll be ready to serve these delicious thighs. All right, 25 minutes later, since we started the process, we cooked the thighs in the pot at least for 20 minutes. And here you go. Look at this thick sauce. up the stove. Parsley or cilantro, whatever you like, just sprinkle it on top. For the food safety, let's check the temperature. If the chicken thigh temperature internal is above 165, they are ready. Let's go halfway, and yes sir, 20 minutes will do the job for you. Let's check this one. Halfway, and yes, it's done. Trust me, they don't need any sauces with that. Juicy, steaming hot, perfectly done. This is the taste test. Here you go. Super hot right now. Hot means temperature wise. Fully cooked, sticky honey is on the top. Sesame seed, cilantro or parsley, whatever you prefer. And here goes the first bite. They are moist. Wow, this sauce is the boss, the sticky sauce. Oh my god. Yes sir. Better than air fryer. Another high protein chicken thighs has been nailed down. Look at this steam. I can eat this all day. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Look at this texture, the glossy texture on top, and the meat is all the way cooked. Steaming hot. Man.